So here's how you can change the calendar year on the iPhone. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. First of all, there are some things you should know, like if you are browsing the calendar and you specifically mean at that, in order to go to like a different year, you can just tap on the top arrow in the left corner to go back to go to the like year view, and you can just browse through all of the different years. And you can even like look that up specifically. Like, I don't know, you can just type in like an event which you might have from different years. But yeah, the point is that you can scroll through and go way into the past if you wanted to. So that is within the calendar app. However, if you are interested in like the calendar year in terms of like your phone's settings and the way that it works there, you have to change it inside of the main settings app by going to the general section. And part of that, we can see the date and the time right away. So this is where you can change it. For me, I have it set to automatic option, but if I don't, I can literally just change it to whatever. So you can choose a different time zone, but also click on the date and switch the year like that. So if you really wanted to do that, that's how you can change the year for your like general phone and like the calendar used across the device. So that's something that I wanted to show you in this video. Let me know what you think. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, so that way you will not miss anything, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.